Hey guys and girls, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're finally off to the Simpson Desert. I got a bit of blacktop in front of me, about 700 and something Ks to get to my brother's place, who's in Adelaide. So I'll be spending the night there with my two nephews and my sister-in-law, Karen, who's actually pretty cool to be quite honest with you. Now, the road conditions thus far on this drive up there, it's been blowing its bum off. Absolutely, the headwinds have absolutely been appalling, and as you know, the fuel economy in FJ is not that flash, and the headwinds aren't helping it at all. Now, when it comes to the desert, we're all open so far, so all the roads are open and ready to go. They've been closed off for some time in Birdsville, so which is not good, but they're open today, yesterday, and hopefully tomorrow when we get to Burra. So let's hit the road and join me on my little adventure. All right, let's get stuck in. Finally made it to the South Australian border. Got another 300 or so Ks to go to get to Adelaide. It's still blowing its backside off. So let's get back in that car again and hit the road. Okay guys, finally got the handoff. Okay guys, I finally got the handoff and I got my Kitchener bun. It's a bit cold outside, so I've decided to sit in the car and eat it. And I found out it's low in sugar, low in fat, and it's really, really healthy for me. I'll give you a look. Check out the size of that thing. Yummo. Now all I gotta do is eat it. All right, I'm gonna get stuck in and eat this and then head to my brother's house. Okay guys, had a great night at my brother's. We killed a bottle of bourbon between us, which was nice. And got to catch up with the nephews and the sister-in-law Karen. As I said before, she's pretty cool. And today we're heading out to Burra. Now, Burra's only, a couple of hours from his place, so I slept in, got a bit of a late start, which is cool. And we'll be staying at the place called the Bon Accord Hotel. Now, the Bon Accord Hotel is a campground out the back, and it's free camping, provided you spend 20 bucks in the pub. I don't think we'll have a problem spending 20 bucks in the pub because we're having a can of tea there tonight. And the Bon Accord Hotel also has showers and toilets for campers, which is pretty good for 20 bucks, if you know what I mean. So we're going to hit the road once again. And by the way, it's raining, but it's not windy today. So let's head on into Burra and
in 215 meters.
Okay, I've made it to the Bon Accord Hotel. It's a bit cold, it's a bit chilly, but there's a beautiful open fire in there. We've had a few beers and we're just setting up camp now, so you can imagine how that's going. And I'll just show you around and introduce you to the crew that I'll be taking hopefully across the Simpson Desert if the tracks are still open. So we're really still up in the air, so we don't know how this video is going to turn out. So I'll quickly introduce you everybody. She's our token girl on the trip, believe it or not, and she's in her Jeep. Morning, Helen, or evening.
Morning.
How you going? You got the pegs in?
Got the pegs in.
Oh, look at that. Crash
Handy
pads all set
tool.
up. Look at that. So that's her Jeepy. So that's Helen and her Jeep, so she's all set up. And we'll go have a look at the, we've got a Pajero here. And we'll go introduce you to Dave Pickle Howard. He's setting himself. How we going, Mr. Pickle?
Oh, we're doing all right.
You're a bit chilly, mate.
There. Getting through it.
Getting through it. And you've got your Pajero here.
Yeah, it's funny you should mention
Yeah,
that.
it's here, isn't it? And we've got our Tony Jambu.
Yes.
How you going, mate? You setting up right?
All good.
And you're driving your Pajero again?
Pajero,
Yeah, so we're all set it up nice. And then we've got one more person here, and that is Nas from Nas Time Adventures. How you going there, Nas?
Nas who? Nas from where?
Nas Time Adventures. Yeah, you got it in twice. That'll do you, mate.
As you know, I'm a professional, so I know what I'm doing. I'm going to do an inspection on Ed's site soon, just to make sure, because I've seen the way he's had a couple already, I reckon.
Yeah,
so
he has had a couple.
We do have to keep an eye on him.
And what are you driving? You're driving your Challenger, aren't you?
Challenger, mate.
Yeah, the Challenger. His little Challenger.
It's a challenge driving.
Yeah, it's always a challenge driving a Challenger. So that's his little car. So he's all set up, ready to go. So that's us for the night. We're going to go back inside and thaw out and chill out. And enjoy our nice canner meal tonight. And we've got a little bit of a history lesson from the publican. And Breaker Morant, which is a famous Aussie movie, was filmed exclusively in Burra. I know, I didn't even know that until today. So Breaker Morant was filmed around this area here. So we're going to have dinner tonight and we're going to have some piano playing. I know, piano playing. It's going to be fantastic. All right, we're going to head into the pub and have a couple more beers and relax for the rest of the evening. All right, here we go.
I see a little
in Burra still. We just had a great night at the Bonacord Hotel with the piano playing and singing and all the rest. We had a great time there. So we're heading out to Maree today. It's still a bit overcast. The wind's dropped today, so we should get better fuel economy, eh? Petrol here and diesel is petrol's $1.99 and diesel at the moment is $2.08 a litre. So we're going to hit the road in a moment. All right, let's get started. Okay, we got the Copley. I got my Copley pie. I actually got 2 pies. I've already eaten one, and I've got one in the fridge for Ron, you know, later on. And they were beautiful. So from here, we're just heading out to, we're probably going to pop in at Farina on the way to Maree and spend the night at Maree. Today's been a good day. We had a little bit of rain, but fine weather, you know. A little bit of wind, wasn't too bad. Everybody's travelling fantastically well. I think Tony's eaten his pie already. Let's go over and see how much he's gobbled up, eh? So Tony, how is it? Worth the drive?
Yep. Worth it. Yum.
Yum. You didn't want one, did you? You already ate the pie somewhere else.
No, I had a pie down the road.
Yeah. Nas, how's the pie, mate?
What is it?
No, the pie you just had.
Yeah, what is this?
The
The
Copley
pie was
pie.
beautiful. A little bit of pepper. I'm not a big fan of the pepper, so I would have preferred plain steak, but Ed took the last one. So I missed out. So I had to get one of these instead.
What's
I
that
did
you
get a
had?
pepper, steak and chunky pepper.
What's
and
that?
what is it? It was Kwandong pie.
That's right. Yeah, I
Kwandong
want you
pie.
to
I have
take a
no
bite.
idea.
I want to see what's
Let's
in it.
find out.
Yeah, as usual, messy as ever.
Mm.
What's that? Apricots and raisins or something?
No, it's a native
Oh,
fruit.
okay. I thought it was a custard tart.
Okay guys, we've made it to Farina. I got the pie at Copley. I'm going to go in there, get another pie from this bakery, which is at Farina, and we're going to compare the pair. So, which is the better pie, Copley or Farina? This is very scientific. It's based on my good taste. All right, I've got the pie already. We're going to head off to Maree tonight and camp overnight at Maree. Fingers crossed, the tracks are open. Let's get started and head on into Maree. Hey guys, we made it to Maree. Finally, we're camped at the back of the Maree Hotel. It's a free camp, by the way, here. If you want to use the showers, it's a gold coin donation. We're going to be hitting a pub for dinner tonight. Now, the original plan for this trip is an east-west crossing, so from Birdsville to Mount Dare, and the Birdsville track's open, and so is the Oodnadatta track. There's only one little problem in my plan. It's Diamantina's flooded. I know, at Birdsville, so it's a bit iffy at the moment if we're going to be doing that way from Birdsville to Mount Dare. We don't know until tomorrow. So guys, this is basically the end of the video. Sorry, but you're just gonna have to like, subscribe and share and all that sort of stuff to see where we end up. In the Simpson or somewhere else. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye for now.